Hi everybody, Jen here with Wed Photography Coach, and today we're talking about rich pins. You need a couple of different things to make sure that your pins are rich pins. And rich pins is a fancy way of saying a pin on Pinterest that pulls as much information as possible from your blog post or website or whatever the pin is, to have rich pins, which because of the Google algorithm really goes much further than just plain pins. And it's not, it happens automatically versus you making sure you do everything. So we're going to start here. I'm going to go ahead and put on the screen right now. I unclaimed my website in Pinterest so that I can show you the steps and what you go through to claim it. So we do a claim. We're going to add an HTML tag, which you would just copy. You say next. Then we're going to go back in here, and I use let me find it now, to add snippets. I use this snippets plugin because it's an easy way to add HTML code, and you can see that I have others listed here like Google AdSense, ManyChat, things like that. So I'm going to add a new snippet, and it's going to be Pinterest claim. And I want it site-wide on every blog post, everywhere. I'm not going to exclude pages. I'm not going to exclude posts. And I want it in the header, show on all devices, and make it active. So I just click down here. I paste that code and say save. All right, then I'm going to go back because I want it to submit it. And sometimes it can take 24 hours. Because I unclaimed it, I have to reclaim again. It's going to take 24 hours to sort of approve. But in the meantime, I'm going to come back here, and I highly recommend Yoast for SEO. You can use this on many different types of websites. I have a WordPress, but I know they make it for multiple different types, and it is literally the most recommended for so many things, but especially for Pinterest. So I would go under social and Pinterest up here at the top. First, make sure you fill in all of your information here. With Yoast SEO, you actually don't need to put in the clip because it automatically goes in. So Yoast SEO, once your website has been claimed by Pinterest, it will automatically put it in there, and it says so in that paragraph above. You can see here, my website is claimed, but to validate that you have rich pins, which is the most important, I went to any blog post on my website that has pins on it. As you can see down here, here are the pins down below. And so I just copied this link, and then I went to developers.pinterest.com/tools/URL-debugger, and then you're going to go ahead and click that in there and click validate, because we want to validate that they're rich pins, and they are validated. So again, rich pins pull all of the information from your blog post, and those pins, which you have to make sure you're naming them properly, and that equals rich pin. If you have any questions at all, feel free to throw them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Or you can go to Facebook and join my Wed Photography group, private group, and I'll definitely answer questions there also. Have a great day. Bye.